It's really nice actually, like really creative, and you're doing two things at once. Really efficient also.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Soumyadeep Das. I am currently an intern at UiPath.
Oh, super. So you're new to Bangalore.
Yeah, new to Bangalore.
So how do you find the city?
Like people talked about weather a lot.
Uh-huh.
It hadn't been that nice, but
Okay.
like recently it has got nice. So yeah.
Yeah, we just
Other than
got.
that, the traffic is a little bit extra here, and also the cost of travel is high.
Uh-huh. I understand. I understand. So where are you from?
I am from Odisha.
Okay. But the thing is that, like, irrespective if this is recording or not, this is how I used to speak to people. Like, so what makes you happy in life?
Me,
Yes.
nice food. That's the reason I'm going to Chess Street right now.
That's cool. That's cool. That's the thing that makes everyone happy.
Yeah.
A good food. Yeah. So according to you, what do you think is most important in life?
Peace, I guess.
Okay.
Peace and a nice life mostly would consist of a peace, a home.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, can you say why peace and?
Because in Bangalore, all of us are running for money,
Uh-huh.
but ultimately, what we want is to buy a house with it, to buy a car, to provide for our family.
Hmm.
So ultimately, I guess that's all for peace.
Hmm.
For me, at least, it is for peace.
Very true. The reason why we make money, eat food, and I think the reason of life is to have a peace, right?
Yeah.
But I think humans took some other path, or maybe we took a
Yeah.
wrong way. So you've been in Bangalore for a while?
Like around 3 months.
Okay. So what is one skill that you're really proud, like anything that you're proud about yourself? Maybe that could be a skill or a character element or anything that could be.
So I won't say I'm that good at it, but like I am a bit decent in singing.
Oh, that's nice, bro. So I really request you to sing at least. I know this is like really, no, it's like a chaotic place, but
Actually, currently I have throat infection, so I'm avoiding it.
okay, okay, no issues, no issues. So who's your inspiration in singing or anyone who's favorite?
Sonu Nigam.
Sonu Nigam. You know, Sonu Nigam has sung a lot of songs in Kannada.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. He's
Recently,
like,
in his concert here in Bangalore, I went. So he's around 12 songs, I guess, in Kannada.
no, actually, I think more than that, not just 12,
Like
like more
just
than
in his
that.
concert.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that was interesting.
He's like adapted son of Karnataka, Kannada industry. Yeah.
This is my office here.
Oh, this one.
Yeah,
Super.
Straight Tower.
Okay. So I've been doing bike taxi, like, so I thought whoever comes, I'll talk to them, give my visiting cards, and try to do some marketing, generic, organic marketing and promotions. So I've been doing that, but recently I got another idea. Why not we'll do a podcast? Because whoever comes, I talk to them. Usually the conversation will be good, like in a ratio of 10, 7 to 8, conversation will be good. So I thought I'll just record and see how it goes.
Changing in voice.
Yeah.
That's really tough, but
Maybe like anything small, big, or anything it could be. Like anything that comes to your mind. Changing in word or people, anything it could be.
okay. It's like education, for example, if it's possible, because when we are kids, nobody really teach us about money,
Yes.
and since when we grow up, like at this point of my life, I'm really confused most of the times. How do I spend? How do I save? How do I invest and all
Yeah.
that?
Yes.
So yeah, there are a lot of YouTube channels for that. But if we are given that kind of knowledge from when we are kids, then that would help us a lot.
True. Particularly in our country.
Yeah, yes. Because
Especially.
in our country, we have a lot of resources, but people don't know about that.
Exactly.
And we have a lot of money flowing. and people don't really kind of understand how to get that.
Very true, very true. So I got the investor and the person who's supporting me now.
Okay. Nice.
That person I met him on Bike Taxi.
Oh.
Yeah, and when I said you like I was featured on newspapers and news, the journalist I met her on Bike Taxi. So one thing, I'm a really shy person. Like
Okay.
before doing this, and I'm an introvert, so it really didn't help for my career.
Yes, yes. That's
So
a
yeah,
huge thing because
Hmm.
talking to people is really a skill and we need to develop that.
Exactly.
Me also, I am also an introvert. I am not
Hmm.
able to talk to people that well,
Hmm.
but I am trying to improve on that.
That's awesome. When you realize that you're not doing good and you want to improve, no,
Yeah.
I think you're almost there.
Thanks.
Yeah, I really appreciate that. Because mostly some people say no, like to talk. Maybe they could be in stress or they need their privacy. That's fine. But few people they really don't want to change. They think I'm right. This is how I want to be. I think that will. I think that's fine, but that might make your journey slow. Like, इसीलिए I thought I want to fasten this process. So that's why I started doing bike taxi. Whoever comes, I talk to them. So that's
Nice idea.
yeah. Thank you. But mostly all this what I spoke, it won't like I'll be editing everything. I just want like the person who sits behind, no, to be that person, to be the hero. Like whoever comes, share their experience.
Keep working hard. keep pursuing your goals and all because like you'll lose if you stop. So you have to keep going.
True.
I hope this hobby of yours blows up on internet.
Thank you so much. Actually, I was once featured in newspapers, social media saying a filmmaker doing Rapido from Bangalore.
Wow.
I was viral, but it is good, but it really didn't help me or what I expected, no.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think that's how life is. Like mostly, बस सब कुछ होते रहता है. There is no anything particular like ये सोचते हैं ये होता है. Mostly it doesn't happen.
Yeah.
I think
But
we
you have
just
to keep
need
going, right?
Exactly. We just need to adapt more to the situation, whatever comes to or whatever life throws at us. No, we just have to adapt to it. So yes, thank you. Thanks for talking. I'll stop.